everyone, welcome back.
Hello.
It
Hi there.
is a Sunday today, which is a day that we do not usually cruise on.
Oh, we're not cruising.
Yeah. We're actually going to take a trip on this boat.
Yes.
Random person just came up to us and said, do you want a trip?
Yeah.
No, it's Roger.
No, it's Roger on Narrowboat R2.
Yeah.
And he's taking us for a little trip to the end of the river Lark.
Because, I'm not sure if we can turn around there. One book says it's 20 metres, which is 65 foot. One book says it's 21, which is 70 foot.
Yeah, so we're not sure. So Roger said do you want a little trip with the need to go down there? Because he's only 57,
Also,
Rogers.
You know,
Well, I mean the boat.
Okay, 60. Also, there's nowhere to moor down there. And it's like 8-mile trip, and then you've got to come 8 miles back to here, which is, well, nearest mooring just around the corner.
Yeah, this is the last mooring really, isn't it, Josh, here?
So that's, so we don't really have time to do it. If we cruise on the weekend, we probably would. But
like you said, we don't think we could turn around.
Roger's, 57, so you can easily turn around.
So
we're going to take a trip with Rog.
Something a bit different today?
Yeah. It's going to just be like a regular vlog, but on a different boat.
Yeah.
It's going to be strange. I got the GoPro, going to stick on the front. I got the camera to just film as
hopefully,
usual.
hopefully there's not going to be any mishaps because Roger's driving anyway, so.
It'd be interesting to drive a 57 foot.
Yeah. I might have a little go when he goes in.
I imagine it's a lot different than 70.
You've got to remember they've got another 13 feet, which is quite a bit really. So, come join us.
Yeah, let's go, shall we?
Philippines, guys, today.
Philippines, we never get to do this.
We ain't even
I know, that's what I'm saying. This is a special event for you. You can pick your Philippines. Because I always like, how do I feel today?
The elephant.
Elephant. Mr. Elephant.
Yeah. What do you reckon? What do you want?
Well, the boat's called R2, isn't it? So R2D2 makes sense.
Okay. That's for the people who make the silly jokes every day.
This guy's got a little electric outboard on his boat, and that little roof he's got there is a solar panel to charge the battery. To our surprise, Jackie and Jeff are just round the corner at the next mooring. These are our ex-neighbours down in Devon. We're going to do the wash with them.
Yeah, that is high. No, mine's down here. My tiller's like that.
Well, you see, this is where if you sit on the tractor seat, it's kind of right hand, so I can't fall in.
Whoa!
Oh, no.
Oh, no, that's better.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, that's better. Yeah. A lot easier.
There's a foot rest thing as well.
Captain Di.
That's a lot easier.
Yeah, you see, there you go, you're getting into it.
Oh, that's awkward when you stood up. I find that
Well, you're quite short, so to me,
it's all right for you.
Yeah,
This lower part of the Lark is rather straight and flat and boring, but the upper part is where it gets nice, above the lock. You can actually just about see Ely Cathedral from here. Probably just about more in there.
that might get in the way if you met another boat coming the other way. Oh, I forgot that. Now, there is a boat in there.
He's never getting out of there.
Okay, that is more than ridiculous. That.
This looks like another one of the old pumping houses. Do you reckon the little square building next to it is part of the old chimney? Oh, that's a traditional tiller there. All narrowboats and barges used to have one of those. That is such a peculiar and weird house. It's not a round house, it's like a hexagon house. This is actually probably a cheaper option than buying a wide beam, isn't it? All that water being sprinkled over there is actually this river water. Farmer's got a pump.
Oh, okay. Oh, they've done the split.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, because they changed all the rules after that. There was a lot of. Yeah, I do get distracted with geocaching. When we're at bridges.
It's almost like a dock. You could probably get in there if you had a GRP. On the navigator.
On your Google Maps satellite, where are you? The other day?
Yeah, we did.
Oh, right. Oh, there's
Wow, what are the odds of that? Just as we're coming out to the one lock, a boat comes out of the marina down here. It doesn't come downstream, it goes upstream. This lock is actually 14 foot wide, and we could share it. But guess what? They didn't want to.
I don't think they're comfortable with us going in anyway.
So we're at the only lock on this tributary, and just as we came up to it, a boat came out of the marina, and they wouldn't be going downstream, they were going up. So yeah, we checked to see if it was wide enough for two narrowboats, and it is. It's 14'7". But they didn't want us to come in with us. Let's just say that. She said, we asked, "Oh, will we fit?" We weren't sure. She said, "Oh no, won't fit." I don't think they know what they're doing. They're just coming out for the weekend. But yeah, so because they don't know what we're doing, Roger doesn't feel safe in the lock with them anyway. So we'd rather go alone. So we're just stopping off and having lunch here now. About 12:30. This is pretty cool because the V gates are electronic. You'll see in a minute. Isn't it funny how everything is electronic on this lock, the gates and the sluices, but yet you go on the main line of the Ouse, which is a lot busier, and it's all manual. While the lock was filling up, Roger went on a little mission to find a geocache. Unfortunately, he couldn't find it. In good timing, there's actually another narrowboat coming the other way. What on earth is a gravestone doing there? This is actually where the Lark gets quite nice. It gets very windy and very narrow, and it's actually very nice. And that, my friends, is the biggest hill around here. Tell you what, this Lark is full to the brim with swans. Don't really see much else, it's only really swans. Yeah, it's getting quite weedy now. Starting to get really shallow and weedy now too. Yeah, see, I reckon we would have to reverse here, you know what I mean? Now this is where we didn't want to meet that other boat. Although we did bump into some canoeists, and then they decided to split the difference.
So, yeah. Don, you can go, that bridge is really high, so you can go beyond that bridge. I thought.
Yes, you can, Roger, but it's too shallow. It'll be alright for a canoe though. So this is the terminus here. We're going to turn around this little arm. But annoyingly, the boat ahead of us is moored up right at the end of the moorings, so it gives us even less room to turn around now.
Stop. Right, I think. They are. No, I'm worried about this little boat. There is also a fence down there.
It's the wind blowing us over that way.
Shall I be like this? With my head?
Stick your head out. There's Dad, who's lost a bit of weight. We've made it to the end of the River Lark. Well, not really. It goes much further up to its source. But we can't go any further because it's too shallow.
And I managed to turn R2.
Well done, darling.
Mum did it. But yeah, that was very tight because that boat who's ahead of us, they moored right forward. Right next to the winding hole.
Yes.
So it made it very awkward because that means we lost a bit of room to manoeuvre. But luckily we didn't go too near their boat. There was a little
No what I thought, Josh? I thought you
Tender.
were volunteering to move the boat back, but...
No. Oh, is it difficult getting around?
Yeah.
No, you stay there. You're fine.
I thought that's what she was doing.
Yeah, they've gone to the pub
We'll
there.
move it back for you if it's making it awkward for you.
If you're wondering if you can moor down here, I think you probably can, but you have to be a patron of the pub, so which most people are. Everyone goes from pub to pub, don't they? But yeah, we managed to turn around there just about. But I honestly don't think we would have been able to turn Olive there. So I'm glad that we didn't take Olive down here.
No, we would. I don't think we would have been able to.
No.
We probably would have, because you could go in there far, but I think you might have got grounded going in there.
But we couldn't reverse back here. How would we do that? I mean, because it's literally really windy around here, just towards the end of it.
If it was up to Roger, he would have gone through the bridge. He didn't even see the turning
Well, yeah,
point.
luckily you said mind the shallows.
Yeah.
Because I said, is that where you put your nose? And you, oh yeah.
Yeah, we're heading back down now, and I don't have to film this, of course, because I just filmed it. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this little adventure out on R2. Not Olive, which is really weird.
Josh can have a little cruise.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Yeah, make
Who's
you
the
steer,
boat?
Josh.
Might have to go a bit faster. No, I'm joking.
Roger's having a lazy day.
Yeah.
Roger goes about 3 miles per hour, don't you? We go about 4 or 5.
I know, flat out.
Yeah, it's gonna take us now. It took us about 3 hours to get here. It took us another 3 hours to get back. But yeah, it was a great day out. Yeah, and we're glad we actually saw the end of the Lark, which is good. But yeah, like I say, we wouldn't have taken Olive down here. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thanks
Bye.
for watching.